And now we're at a point where we will be discussing what a network is when it comes to a scientist or a clinician or a researcher. What do you think a network is? I'm going to unmute Devika Satija. Devika, do you want to talk to us about it?
Yeah, sure. So I feel networking is connecting in a formal or an informal way to other people who are maybe pursuing your area of interest or something that you are pursuing or what you plan to pursue in future.
Great. Yeah. I have a question for you. Why would somebody network with you?
Somebody would network with you for two reasons. Firstly, if they feel that you have something to offer to them that they do not know, or if they see you as a learner who is very inquisitive to know about probably how they are doing something which they are good at, so that you can also apply it to your area to your whatever you're pursuing.
The first one is correct. The second one is incorrect. The first one is absolutely correct. If your peer group or if your industry sees that you have something to offer to the industry, then they will want to network with you. The second one, being a learner is not enough. Does that make sense? A doer is a more attractive interaction for somebody who's already active in the industry, because after some point, people that are in the industry, they become extremely stingy with their time. Like, I'm extremely stingy with their time. Everything is calculated. I don't want young people to come up to me and pick my brain. I'm telling you all this on a workshop because I want you to go to a university, speak to a professor while keeping these things in mind. Okay? The first one is...
That makes a lot of sense, ma'am.
Yeah. So you go up to somebody who's more experienced than you. At the best, if somebody, I love helping undergraduates, I love helping my interns, but there is such a vast, there's such a huge, inflow of extremely talented interns coming in every year. So many applications. They're smart. They have really nice portfolios. We'll talk about that. They're healthy. They're active, and they don't pick your brain. They don't say, how do I go from 1 to 10? They're like, I am on my way to 10. I am stuck on step number 4. Can you help me with 4A? I did 4A. Can you help me with 4B? That's how, precise they are. If somebody comes to me with a problem like that, I'll be the first one to help them. If somebody just wants to come up to me and just pick my brain and be like, hey, I'm at 1. I haven't even gone to 2. How do I get to 10? I don't want to help them. Does that make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So you have to be very careful about how you are placed in your network. So there'll be two things. Why should anybody network with you? You have to think about it. People will only help you if they see that you're doing a lot to help yourself. The second one is, and they'll also help you if they see that you have something nice and valuable to offer. So in this point, I also spoke about a portfolio, right? So which is the fourth aspect of a strong career.